Hey guys, it's Giri there for G-Phone Tech. Today I'm going to talk to you about a printer, the Epson Ecotank M3180. This is a duplex monocolor ink tank printer that can print, scan and also fax. This all-in-one M3180 printer will be mostly useful for small to medium-sized commercial establishments. The M3180 weighs about 3.4 kgs. It looks like a conventional printer, but nothing juts out of it. It is mostly a monolithic cuboid design. Even the ink tank fits flush inside the body, and practically there is nothing jutting out of the printer's design. On the front, you would find a touch display which has all the settings required to operate the printer. I found it very easy to set up. In fact, I set it up to run on my home internet Wi-Fi connection and also configured it to print from a Google Cloud services, all done in less than 5 minutes. Apart from the touch display, it has a home button and help button and also a large power on off button with an integrated notification LED light. At the top is a flatbed scanner. You can open up the flatbed scanner and scan single papers, or if you have multiple papers to scan, you can use the paper input feed from the top. The bottom paper holding tray can hold up to 100 papers in it. There is also a paper feed at the back of the printer, in which you can feed say up to 15 to 20 papers at a time. Between the top flatbed scanner and the bottom tray is the output tray. This is the gap where the printed paper comes out of. On the front right side, you would find the ink tank. There is a translucent level indicator to visually see the level of ink that is left inside the printer. This Epson Ecotank M3180 does not jam your paper easily, but if at all you use a crumpled paper or a paper with some crease and it gets jammed inside one of those paper feeds, you can just remove the back cover and remove the jammed in paper. In terms of connectivity, this model M3180 comes with Wi-Fi, LAN cable Ethernet, USB cable connected to your computer, and also cloud printer services like Apple, Epson or Google. This is a black and white printer, which is much faster and also cost effective compared to a mono laser printer. This M3180 can print out papers at 39 paper per minute. It can also copy up to 17 paper per minute, and the scanner can support resolutions up to 1200 by 2400 dpi. This is a printer that is mostly used for commercial printouts. Don't expect to print out photo quality or photo printouts out of this printer, but when you print out a document, an Excel sheet or a PowerPoint presentation, the images and the text are clear and crisp. As I said earlier, this Epson Ecotank M3180 is most suited for a small to medium-sized commercial establishment, be it a startup, a law firm, or a small-sized office with about 10 to 20 employees. This Epson Ecotank M3180 is a very good printing solution. The M3180 model costs about $26,399. In case you don't need a network connected printer, you can go in for the M3140, which will cost you around $22,899, all the same features of this 3180 except the LAN or Wi-Fi connectivity. The refills come in two sizes. The big bottle costs about 699 rupees and that can print out 6000 pages. The smaller bottle is 499 rupees and can print out 2000 papers. Epson claims that the cost per print is gonna be less than 12 paisa. But additionally, Epson also gives you a 3-year warranty on these printers. I hope you found this video useful. If yes, a subscribe and a like would be appreciated. Until I catch up with you on the next video, this is Giri there signing off. Goodbye.